Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia. And today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your JAC Delhi rank. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link you have to click on it. And after reaching the website you have to scroll down below and you will see this section of College Predictor. You have to click on that. And after reaching this web page you have to click on the course and the exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we'll be seeing for JAC Delhi, and the course I want to pursue is, let's just say, BTech in Biotech. And then you have to click on Find Colleges. After that, you have to enter your rank along with your course name and your reservation category. For example, my rank is 15,000 and this is my course name and this is my reservation category. After that, you have to click on Check Results. So you can see there are in total of 9 colleges for which I qualify for, and this is a list of all those colleges along with the information. And if you want to know more about the college or the course, you have to click over here and you will be redirected to this page where it has all the information regarding the course fees, your admission, your results, your review, your department and the cutoff, and everything is given over here. And if you want, you can download the brochure by selecting of this section. So we'll go back, and if you want to know more about the college, if you want to see the colleges according to your preferences, you have to click on this option filter given down below, and you can see your colleges according to your city, your year, your substream, your degree type and your category. According to your choices, you can just select the choice and you can apply the changes. So you'll see that all the colleges according to your preferences will be given, and every information is given on the website. So if you have any other questions, you can comment down below or you can just visit the website, that is collegedunia.com.